So okay, if you don't mind, may I know what's your name?
New.
My name is Ruman Ahmed, and you?
Ah,
So right now, what are you doing?
I'm drawing.
Yeah. Oh, you are drawing. Oh, very nice.
Yes.
And if you don't mind, may I know where are you from?
Hi.
Thailand. Oh, this is the first time I'm talking with a Thailand girl, and you're looking so beautiful. First of all, I thought you are a boy, but second, you are a girl, and you are looking so beautiful.
কি সুন্দর
আমি বিশ্বাস করি না
বলেন কি না
And so, thank you for coming my Bigo Live, and because most of the time everyone don't come to my Bigo Live, but why I don't know. So thank you for coming my Bigo Live.
I'm sorry. I don't.
What's your profession?
Oh,
What's your
occasion.
yeah?
Occasion. No.
Mm,
Forget. Okay. Forget.
what is this? This is your nail, right? Oh, very nice.
Yes. Yes.
Very
I
nice.
make.
Yeah,
I make.
very nice. Yeah,
Beauty.
yeah, beauty.
I make. Come to Thailand. I make it change.
Okay, no problem. I will go to Thailand one day or other day
হ্যালো হ্যালো
কি আশ্চর্য কথা
because
One day after day.
there are listen to me. There are many. There are the Thaka floating market, right?
Market.
Yeah,
Rice. Market.
the Thaka floating market.
Hunting.
This is a very
I know.
oh yeah, this is a very popular your country, and your country is very nice. And do you know Bangladesh?
What? What?
Do
Do
you
you?
know Bangladesh? Because my country, I'm from Bangladesh, and my country is Bangladesh. So do you know Bangladesh? Any idea?
Bang. Bang.
Bangladesh.
सब क्या देखना पड़ रहा है अच्छा है मैं अंधा हूँ
Bangladesh.
You don't.
I'm sorry. I'm sorry. I'm
Okay,
sorry.
okay, okay, no problem. You don't know. It's playing my country name, Bangladesh. Do you know?
Bang.
Yeah. Do you know India, Pakistan?
Thailand. Bangkok. Bangkok.
Bangkok.